Do you have old electronic parts lying around and you're not sure what to do with them? Today, we'll transform these circuit boards into a stunning LED mood light. You'll need just a few materials: old circuit boards, LED strips, a hot glue gun, and a power adapter. First, clean the circuit board with a brush to remove dust and grime, giving it a fresh look. Next, attach the LED strips to the back of the circuit board. Use hot glue to hold them in place so they don't fall off easily. Now, solder the power wires to the positive and negative terminals of the LED strip. Make sure the connections are secure. Plug in the power and test the lighting effect. Look, this circuit board has instantly turned into a beautiful piece of light art, an LED mood light made from old circuit boards, eco-friendly and creative. Do you love this project? Try it out yourself.